Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to download Joom application on your iPhone. To download the Joom online shopping application on your iPhone is a quick and easy process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store from your iPhone. Now in the search box appearing on the screen, type in Joom Joom and search. Look for this application in the search result and tap on Get. Log into your Apple ID or use your Face ID to log into your account, and then your download process should begin. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on Open. And there you have successfully downloaded the Joom online shopping application on your iPhone. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.